Here's the brutal truth nobody's saying in 2025. Selling digital products on Instagram is not about followers, content volume, or even your product quality. It's about hacking Instagram's new invisible traffic streams, the ones no guru talks about because they don't want you to win. Think of Instagram like a secret VIP club, and if you don't know the backdoor handshake, your digital product won't even get a peek. Ready to step inside? Because this video cracks the code on how to actually sell digital products on Instagram right now, without wasting time on outdated tricks. Immediate micro-value drop. Instagram's AI-powered interactive sticker API lets you create live, real-time digital product launches inside stories, and these launches convert up to 3x better than static posts. Imagine tapping directly into your audience's attention with interactive polls, quizzes, and countdowns that don't just engage, they sell your digital product while viewers are glued to their screens. Most creators don't even know this exists yet, so you're already miles ahead by using it. Market truth plus behavioral science. Here's where the game flips. The Instagram of 2025 is nothing like the Instagram you knew a few years ago. The old hustle of blasting sales posts or flooding your feed with buy now captions. It flat out fails today. Why? Because Instagram's algorithm has transformed into a sophisticated AI-powered curator that rewards ultra-relevant, personalized experiences over generic sales pushes. Plus, Instagram's entire shopping ecosystem is shifting toward micro-monetization, meaning the power is no longer with big brands or influencer megastars. Instead, hyper-nano niche creators are winning. Why? Because today's Instagram buyer is overwhelmed, bombarded by content, and deeply craving bite-sized, hyper-personalized value that speaks directly to their specific pain points or desires. Behavioral science backs this up. When people scroll, their brain's reward system lights up strongest for content that feels custom-made for them, not mass-marketed. So if your digital product pitch feels broad or pushy, it's ignored or buried. But if you serve laser-targeted micro-value in an engaging, interactive way, Instagram's AI boosts your reach, and your sales explode. That's why mastering these invisible, AI-driven, hyper-personalized connection tactics is the only way to actually sell digital products on Instagram in 2025. Ready to keep going with the next part, immediate micro-value drop. Here's a secret weapon that almost no one's using yet. Instagram's new AI-powered interactive stickers in stories. These let you run live product launches, QA polls, and instant feedback loops that directly nudge viewers to buy your digital product, boosting conversion rates up to 3 times compared to regular posts. It's simple. People engage more when they feel involved right now, and Instagram's algorithm loves to push content with real-time interaction. Start adding these stickers to your stories today and watch your digital sales take off. Why do traditional Instagram selling tactics fail now? Because Instagram changed its rules. 1. Algorithm shift. Instagram's AI no longer prioritizes big follower counts or generic posts. Instead, it ranks content by how much engagement and personal relevance it creates in real time. That means if your posts don't spark quick interactions, likes, replies, shares, sticker taps, Instagram won't show them widely, killing your sales chances. 2. Shopping experience evolution. Instagram's shopping tools now focus on micro-monetization, selling small, highly targeted digital products to very specific groups. Big, broad appeals get lost in the noise. Instead, creators who sell ultra-niche products tailored to tiny, passionate audiences win every time. 3. Behavioral science insight. Modern Instagram users scroll fast and decide in seconds whether content is for them. Their brains crave personalized, bite-sized value that solves a specific problem or fulfills a unique desire. If your pitch feels generic or pushy, it triggers mental resistance, and they scroll past. But if you deliver small, tailored wins through engaging, interactive content, you lower their resistance and open the door for sales. Pillar 1. Hyper-personalized nano-engagement loops. The magic isn't in broadcasting to everyone, it's in sparking tiny, meaningful interactions that build trust and naturally lead to sales. Here's how. Instagram's AI-driven tools, think interactive stickers, DM replies, and Reels comments, let you create what I call interaction micro-moments. Each sticker tap, poll vote, or DM reply isn't just engagement. It's a mini conversation. These bite-sized chats chip away at resistance without sounding pushy or sleazy. Want to level up? Integrate AI-powered chatbots in your DMs that can instantly qualify leads, answering questions, recommending products, and scheduling calls automatically. This creates a seamless experience that feels personal but runs on autopilot. Pillar 2, Algorithm-friendly educational snippets. Instagram's algorithm now loves educational content, but only when it's served as short, digestible nuggets. We're talking 7 to 15-second reels or stories designed to teach one tiny concept or tip. Why? Because microlearning satisfies Instagram's AI and human attention spans alike. These bite-sized lessons create a content curriculum that pulls your audience along step by step, from curious scroller to interested buyer. For example, if you sell a digital course, break it down into mini tutorials or myth-busting facts delivered daily or weekly. This keeps your audience hooked, anticipating the next snippet, and steadily warming up to buy. To plan and optimize these snippets, apps like Later or Metrical provide analytics and scheduling, helping you craft a lean, targeted content funnel that Instagram's algorithm rewards with maximum reach. Pillar 3, Multimodal Launch. Ecosystem. Gone are the days of a single, big Instagram launch. The smartest sellers now run multi-platform drip funnels, combining Instagram with AI-powered email sequences, TikTok micro-ads, and savvy affiliate partnerships. Here's how it works. Use Instagram's shopping and affiliate tools to create initial discovery and impulse buys. Then drip AI automated email campaigns that nurture leads with personalized value and upsells. Meanwhile, TikTok micro-ads extend your reach to fresh audiences without blowing your budget. Affiliate networks like Impact or Share Sale help you recruit micro-influencers who drive sales by authentic word of mouth, creating a self-sustaining launch machine. If you're ready to own Instagram sales in 2025, subscribe now and join our Instagram micro-mentorship, where smart strategies meet AI magic. Dream bigger. Sell smarter. Start now.